Discovery Plus Sign Up. Signing up for Discovery Plus is a simple process that allows users to access a vast library of documentaries, reality shows, and exclusive content. Whether using a computer, mobile device, or smart TV, the sign-up process is quick and easy. Subscribers can choose from different plans based on their preferences, including ad-supported and ad-free options. 1. Visit the Discovery Plus website or app. To begin the sign-up process, go to the official Discovery Plus website or download the Discovery Plus app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. This ensures you are signing up through the official platform. 2. Click on Start Free Trial or Sign Up. On the homepage, you will see an option to Start Free Trial or Sign Up. Clicking this button will take you to the Account Creation page, where you can enter your details. 3. Choose a subscription plan. Discovery Plus offers different subscription plans, including an ad-supported version and an ad-free version. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Some regions may also offer bundle deals or student discounts. Create an account. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and provide any required personal details. Make sure to use an active email address as it will be used for verification and account recovery. Enter payment information. To complete the sign-up, you must enter your payment details. Discovery Plus accepts credit debit cards and some digital payment options. If a free trial is available, you will not be charged until the trial period ends. 6. Verify your account. After entering payment details, you may need to verify your email. Check your inbox for a confirmation email and click on the verification link to activate your account. 7. Log in and start watching. Once the sign-up is complete, log into your account on the Discovery Plus app or website. Browse through the extensive catalog of shows and start streaming your favorite content. Signing up for Discovery Plus is a straightforward process that provides instant access to a variety of shows and documentaries. With flexible subscription plans and an easy-to-use interface, Discovery Plus ensures a smooth viewing experience for all users.